Well, good morning, folks. We're on Baden Lake again today. The water is definitely clearer. Well, I wouldn't say clear, it's cleaner. It's not just red, brown mud. So it's amazing how much difference just a week made. So I went out this morning and I grabbed some shad. Well, here you go, folks. Some pretty good shad. That's some good healthy size shad here. If I can get hold of the old slimy thing. I'm baited up with shad, we're anchored up, and we're gonna see what we can do. We'll stay here about 30 minutes or so, and if I don't get any takers, I'll move. I've got 2 or 3 other spots I usually like to anchor at. So stick around and let's see how we do. Okay, folks, we are hooked up. Let's see where he's at. Nice channel cat. We can't get him in here. Come here, Bubba. Stop. Can I have my hook? There we go, folks. Nice channel cat. Good eater size, probably 3-4 pounds. All right, we're gonna set him free though. Be free, channel cat. That way. There you go. We are hooked up again. Probably just another channel, ain't no size to it, but it is definitely a catch. I will take it. Yeah, just a little small little channel. Come here, buddy. There we go. Like I said, there's a little old channel, eater size, cookie cutter, I guess. About the same size as that last one. 3 pounds, maybe 4. We'll set it free. We got another one on. He fooled around with it till I got him to hook up. Feels a little better. Got some head shakes out of this one at least. See what he is. Still ain't huge, but I think he's better than the other one maybe. Maybe he's about the same. There he goes. Going down, coming back. Oh, he might actually have us a blue this time. No, he's another channel. Yep, he's a channel. Come here, buddy. You about done? Quit. 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 Come here. Yeah, he's definitely a little better. This one's a good 5 or 6 pounds maybe. Barely had him. Ouch. Got it. There we go. Definitely a little better. Get a weight and see what he is. He's probably 5 pounds, give or take. Open up. Good boy. Quit. Yeah, 5 pounds. Alright, you're gonna have to let go. Let go. You didn't want to let go. Alright, so anyway, we're gonna set him. And there he goes. Alright folks, this wind has just gotten crazy. I'm gonna call it and head to the house. So until I see you on the water again, have a great day.